Afrobeat musician Seun Kuti has been arrested and is currently being detained at the State Criminal Investigation Department, popularly known as FANCI, in Lagos State, over an alleged assault on a police officer on Saturday. The musician was accompanied by a lawyer representing Falana and Falana Chambers, the law firm of popular human rights activist Femi Falana's son. A video clip and pictures showing the musician in handcuffs while being paraded by police officers at the SCID Lagos. Recall that a viral video of Seun Kuti assaulting a police officer on the 3rd Mainland Bridge in Lagos State emerged on Saturday. The Inspector General of Police Usman Baba, as a result, ordered the arrest of Seun. The IG equally ordered a speedy and full investigation into the remote and immediate cause of the alleged assault and prosecution of the suspects accordingly. However, following the IG's order for his arrest, Mr. Kuti in another Instagram post said, "I welcome the investigation. I will give my full cooperation. I also pray to the IG that whoever is wrong should be indicted." This was as the Police Service Commission demands the immediate prosecution of the musician, adding that no one has the right to assault a policeman in uniform and on official duty, no matter the offense committed by the police officer. Following the development, Falana's son said the musician had sought his legal services, adding that Seun Kuti has evidence to defend his action. Falana said, "I am his lawyer and he has briefed me. He certainly has evidence. This is not the first time he is dealing with the police. Seun, is going to report himself to the police tomorrow morning. There is no problem at all." According to Section 356 of the Nigerian Criminal Code Act, if found guilty of assault against the yet-to-be-named police officer, Seun Kuti is liable to spend 3 years in prison. The Act reads, "Anyone who assaults, resists, or willfully obstructs a police officer while acting in the execution of his duty, or any person acting in aid of a police officer while so acting, is guilty of felony and is liable to imprisonment for 3 years." The PSC chairman, Dr. Solomon Arase, a retired Inspector General of Police, said Seun's arraignment would serve as a deterrent to other citizens, adding that no one has the right to assault a policeman in uniform and on official duty, no matter the offense committed by a police officer. Should Seun Kuti be jailed?